Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today is all about lashes. So if you want to learn how to apply your lashes, then please keep on watching. This video is for you. So this is my lash. Well, I'm going to be selecting a pair from this set. You're going to need a tweezer and you're going to need your glue. So this is hair glue. This can also be used if you have duo glue, that's fine. So I've already applied my glue to the lash and I'm just fanning it back and forth just to kind of get the glue tacky. Tacky meaning it's halfway dry or drying but not fully dry. So then you just want to apply the center part first. So you apply the middle piece first, or you lay it first to your lashes. Then you're going to apply the corners. So I'm applying the inner corner next, and you're just using the tweezer to just, you know, kind of push it onto, you know, your lid, I would say, and then you're just using the tweezer to kind of press it down just to get it secured. So yeah, that's pretty much all you do. So after you ensure that they're secured, you just want to kind of use your fingers now. You just want to use your fingers and just kind of roll your lashes with the fake lashes just so they come together, so you're not seeing your real lashes sticking out underneath the fake lash. And that's it. Pretty simple. Yeah, so we slayed the lash already. So I'm only doing one lash because, you know, well, I basically just showed you the easiest way. So I applied the other lash off camera. So that's pretty much it for this video. You know, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.